being asexual means, basically it means that I'm really into people, I'm just not really in people. Basically, I like my partners how I like my tea, warm, sweet, and nowhere near my trousers. No, I'm actually a pan-romantic asexual. I'm a pan-romantic asexual. So I'll snog anyone, but I'll fuck no one. So all of you are safe, and yet none of you are safe. Being asexual, basically, all it is a lack of sexual attraction. It's a lack of sexual attraction. People are very mean. People are very mean to me. People just accuse me of being lazy. But guys, I'm not lazy. Just I literally cannot be fucked. It's quite hard being me, because I'm both asexual and autistic. So you could say that I do not like big butts, and I definitely cannot lie. It's quite hard being an asexual comedian. It's quite hard being an asexual comedian, because I hate nudity, but only get paid in exposure. You can't win. I don't blame you if you've not seen an asexual comedian before. We're quite a rare breed. It's quite rare to see asexual comedians, but to be fair, it's like we're actively trying to multiply. Yes, we are quite rare, but it turns out, according to research, roughly 7.8 million people on Earth are asexual. So in a rather shocking twist, it turns out we actually are the 1%. That's along! Don't fuck with us, you literally can't. But generally, we're quite overlooked in the general kind of queer community. We are so overlooked. That's why they put us at the end of the acronym. They put the asexuals at the end of the LGBTQIA acronym because we're kind of like the jump scare of the queer community. Because it's actually meant to be pronounced LGBTQIA. Fun surprise. But no, of course, I face a lot of bigotry in my day-to-day life of being asexual. People often at gigs, quite a lot of straight men come to me and they'll say, Eliott, I just don't understand it, because you say you're asexual, but you're actually quite good looking. And I say, well, and you're straight and ugly as sin, yet here we are! Riddle me that one. People say to me, well, how do you know it? How do you know you're asexual? How do you know you don't like sex if you've never tried it? How do you know you don't like sex if you've never tried it? That's fair enough. Then again, I've also never tried voting Tory. Just know it. It wouldn't feel right, you know? How would you know you're an arachnophobe if you've never fucked a spider? How would you know you're straight if you've never fucked a spider?